Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Simon Rao, the host of this channel, and my channel name is The Kid Next Door. So today we will be doing a story ride. It's story time with Simon, and in this story time we will read Geronimo Stilton, The Phantom of the Subway of Scholastic, and it's the 13th part of Geronimo Stilton's novels. And in this photo we can see that this metro is chasing the Geronimo, and it has a cat shadow. So first, let's see our heroes. Geronimo Stilton, Tia, Trap, Benjamin. And now let's see what will happen to Geronimo. Dear mouse friends, welcome to the world of Geronimo Stilton. And there's a big photo of Geronimo Stilton. Here's all of the staff of the Rodden's Gazette. You can pause and see them. Okay. Now let's see what does our hero does. So, Geronimo Stilton, a learned and brainy mouse, editor of the Rodden's Gazette. That's him. Tia Stilton, Geronimo's sister and special correspondent at the Rodden's Gazette. That's her. Trap Stilton, an awful joker, Geronimo's cousin and owner of the store Cheap Junk for Less. That's him, a fat mouse. Benjamin Stilton, a sweet and loving 9-year-old mouse, Geronimo's favorite nephew. That's it. Now let's read Geronimo Stilton, the Phantom of the Subway. Chapter 1 is Terror in the Subway. Cheese niblets, the subway was chasing me. My heart was racing. My teeth were chattering. My ears were ringing. I woke up with a start. Phew. It was only a dream. That's right. I was safe and sound in my bed. My ears weren't ringing, but the phone was. I picked it up. Hello, Geronimo Stilton squeaking. My sister's shriek made me jump. Geronimo! Get your tail to the office right now. It's important, Tia yelled. I looked at the clock and leaped. What? 10 minutes past 9? I was terribly late. I'm on my way, I told my sister, but I was talking to a dial tone. One thing you should know about my sister. She's not the most patient mouse on the block. I jumped in the shower, brushed my teeth, and got dressed in record time. Then I rushed to the Singing Stone Plaza subway station. I was waiting for my train when I heard a horrifying sound. Meow. Look, they have heard the sound of mew, and everyone is now scared. The crowd rushed for the stairs, squeaking in terror. A cat! There's a cat in the subway! I ran for the exit too. It was bad enough I was late for work. I wasn't about to become some cat's breakfast sandwich. Rodents were pushing and shoving. See, the rodents are pushing. I stood back. Oh yes, I wanted to save my tail, but I didn't want to be crushed to a free pulp. Just then, I noticed an elderly lady holding a young mouse by the paw. Come on, Grandma, the little mouse cried, but the old lady was frozen with fear. Quickly, I grabbed her paw. Don't worry, madam, I yelled. Everything is going to be all right. I scooped up the young mouse, then I led them both up the stairs. At last, we were outside. Thank you. You are a true gentle mouse, squeaked the old lady gratefully. I smiled. Do you like to help others? I do. It makes me feel all warm inside, sort of like when you eat a delicious bowl of cheddar soup. Thinking of soup reminded me that I had forgotten to eat breakfast. I was starving. I bought the little mouse a cheese ice cream. Then I had one too. Not my typical breakfast, but then this was not a typical morning. And this is the end of the chapter 1. He is late for the work. Geronimo is late for the work. And also in big trouble, a cat is in the subway. Now the chapter 2 is a phantom cat that we will read in the next episode. Oh, I am so excited for this episode. Are you also excited? Tell it in the comment section, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.